YouTube. Today, there's an open thread or an open tag on knife sounds, and I figured I'd hop on it and make a video real quick. These are the three best sounding knives that I have right now. Okay, if I had a Microtech UTX 85, and if I still had it, it would be on the table. It definitely had the best sound, flicking back and forth, the double action Microtech. Everybody knows what it sounds like. The action sounds really good, but this is my paramilitary. This is probably the second best sound in action. There's my Contego. And this is the best sounding knife that I have. This is a Manix 2. It's just got that ting to it. Anyway, it's a little quick one. That's my opinion. Alright, y'all have a good one. Post comments what y'all's favorite sounds are, what y'all's favorite knives and stuff like that are. Alright.